Welcome to Code with Vinod. Today we will learn how we can configure our Django project with Nginx web server, and with the help of Gunicorn we will see how we will communicate between Nginx web server and our Django project. And after that we will see the functionality of Supervisor, and we'll check how it will control all the process of Gunicorn. So first of all I will log in with my Ubuntu server using putty. So here I have already installed my virtual environment, and you need to install your virtual environment first, then you need to activate on that. So let me activate on my virtual environment using source venv bin activate. So here my Django project is located at this directory. Now I will install Gunicorn here using pip. So it is already installed on my server. So let me show you my Django project. So this is my Django project having all Django files, means let's say a database file, manage.py, templates and shell script. So let me try to run this project with Gunicorn. Uwsgi. So it will communicate with our uwsgi file, and then we'll bind our 8009 port. So it is having some issue. Let me change this. So it is running on my 8006 port. So let me go on my browser and we'll try to check on this IP. This is my Ubuntu server IP with this port. It will take some time. This is due to some internet issue. And now we are working on this part, means Django and Gunicorn. After that we will see how we will communicate between Django and Nginx server using Gunicorn. And at the last we will see the functionality of Supervisor. So now we can see our website is visible here, and now I will try to run my website on with this IP only. So here we can see we cannot run our website on using this specific IP only, so without port. So we will perform this task with Nginx. So first of all, let me quit this process and exit from my virtual environment. So let me log in again. So to quit from virtual environment, we need to write deactivate. I forgot to write that. So let me install our Nginx server on my Ubuntu server. So let me install sudo apt install Nginx. So now let me refresh my web. So here we can see our Nginx is successfully installed, and now we will communicate the Nginx with our website. So let me show how we can do this. So this task will be performed using Gunicorn. So Gunicorn will help us to communicate between our website and Nginx. So first let me go inside my virtual environment. Sorry. So let me show you a configuration file which is placed inside my Django project. So Gunicorn config file. Actually, this file is using here to directly communicating with our website by so by using this file we can directly communicate with Nginx and our file. Otherwise, we need to write this command, this command, this command. So now I have mentioned this command inside this configuration file. Let me show you inside this file. So here we can see this file will catch the path of our Gunicorn inside our virtual environment. After then it will check the test live project location. After then it will bind our project with this IP, which is our server IP, with this port. So now we can change this port. Let me change this with my existing port. Let me quit this. After that, let me go inside. Let me deactivate first. So now let me go inside our Nginx server, and we will require to make some configuration to communicate between Gunicorn and Nginx. So it is inside etc Nginx. After then we will go inside site enable. Now I will create a file, configuration file inside this. So let me show you the configuration file. So please go inside this URL which is given in description box. So let me show you the configuration file. So this is configuration file. Let me create this file. And copy this text commands. So now let me show you. We are listening this. This is the server port, and this is server name. This is my Linux server IP address. After then, we will pass the proxy of our IP with this port. And let me restart my Nginx server. And let me check. So it is showing some issue. Okay. So let me go inside my virtual environment. And now we will see what is the functionality of supervisor. So this one. So now we will install supervisor. So this is the supervisor. Supervisor used to control the Gunicorn functionality. If in case of any server failure, it will automatically start our website. Let me log in again. So it is installed now. Let me go on supervisor, and here we can see we will find this directory. So inside this directory you need to remove everything. Let me remove. So let me remove logs file also. So this is directory. So now we need to create a configuration file inside this directory. Let me go on my website. I need to create this configuration file. We can change its name as per our requirement. Let me copy this and let me show you. So here it will first activate the directory of our project. After then it will run this command. It will go on our Gunicorn. After then it will fetch this Gunicorn underscore config file which we have created earlier. After then it will go inside the uwsgi file. Then auto start true, auto restart true, and let me comment these file, and after then you can create this file at given location. So now let me update supervisor. So ctl. So firstly I will reload the things, then update. Now I will restart the supervisor. So let me check the status. It is running, and let me refresh my file. So here we can see our website is working on this IP address only, so it is working with Gunicorn. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any query, any issue, please comment me in description, comment me in comment box, and you can find all the links in description box. Thanks for watching.